What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, and today I'll be showing y'all how to launch your Scatpack and Hellcats. You know what I'm saying? Scatpacks and Hellcats, they got the same kind of setup. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to using the launch control. So this is for your Scatpacks and your Hellcats. You know what I'm saying? Or your fast RTs, all y'all fast Hemi boys out there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. If you are new, hit that like button, or yeah, hit that like button anyway. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And I'm doing Vlogmas. This is my first Vlogmas video, you know what I'm saying? Today is December 1st. I'm gonna try my best, y'all, to post every day. But if not, man, like I said, several times a week, you know what I'm saying, for sure. Several times a week. I think I went the wrong way. But several times a week, man. Several times a week. But yeah. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? And but as y'all can see, we on the way to the spot. I'm trying to remember, I ain't been down here in a while in Mexico, man, but I'm trying to remember where I think this is not the right spot. I think I turned off too soon. Or I could just be, never mind, I'm speaking too soon. Speaking too soon. I don't like this truck behind me. I hope you're going straight. Cause if you're not, you gonna blow me. Keep going straight, buddy. Alright, good. Okay, we're finna start straight into it, cause I ain't got that much time and room. I'm gonna put that thing in track. Come on now. Chop. But yeah, man, I'm kind of rushing, so excuse me, you know what I'm saying, if you're seeing whatever, but I'm gonna give y'all that, you know what I'm saying, let y'all get a little sound, but we're finna do a launch. We're gonna activate launch control. All right, so this is how you gonna do it. You feel me? You already got your foot on the brake, obviously. Put your left foot on the brake. You might as well, you know what I'm saying? Then it's gonna pop up on the screen saying, you know what I'm saying, vehicle will launch at whatever RPMs you put it at. Follow rules and cluster. And the cluster say to launch, press brake and quickly apply full throttle. People underestimate full throttle. They mean literally put it to the floor, like literally like put your leg all the way down. That's what's gonna activate it. People be trying to hold it, and then when they hold it, it don't, you know what I'm saying, it don't do nothing. But yeah, so you put it down to the floor. Oh, okay. Now that did not go as planned. I don't know what just happened. A car came behind me anyway. Dang. But hey, I don't know. Now what just happened when it started doing the burnout? I don't know if I think I kind of slowly put it to the floor. You gotta like do it quick, like literally like you hold your left foot, bro. And whenever you're ready, like just take a quick breath, and then just, you know what I'm saying, like push it straight to the floor. Like, literally, cause if not, it's gonna start doing the burnout. That's the first time I ever did that. I'm usually good at it, but that car got behind me. I'm like, damn. I wish I had a better area to do it in, or a more dead area, but it's the daytime. I'm trying to get y'all this in the daytime, cause nighttime, it's like the nighttime videos don't do that good, cause like I don't know, just be dark, you can't really see everything. And this car is just behind me, bro. I have to find somewhere to turn or something. Cause they just gonna ride with me all the way to the other side. I ain't trying to do all that, folk. I ain't trying to do all that. But we're gonna try it again, car crew, man. My bad. Y'all just bear with me. I told y'all, man. I'm doing Vlogmas, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? All videos, some of them gonna be instructional. That's why I said comment down below what videos y'all would like to see. And Vlogmas and other kind of things of that nature. Here go another car. Oh, I hope they're not turning the way I turn. Let me see. Oh, and they are. Dang. I'm going that way. Then. You go that way, I'm going that way. Dang, trap mode. See how trap mode sound? I see why they say don't cruise in it. Cause that junk be having a transmission doing all kind of. Damn, somebody else done. Some other car right there. Let me hurry up. I can see it. Hopefully that car turn. But yeah, man, we're gonna do it like this. Now I say put it to the floor. Hey, that was a good one. It took a little, well, once it shifted second, oh, it was over with. You gotta use that transmission to slow that thing down. So that transmission to slow it down, ain't touching no brake, nothing. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to do it again. There's a car coming down that way, but I'm gonna turn around over here. I don't know what kind of car it is, like a regular one, but still. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get y'all another one. Cause I really was trying to show y'all, but basically that's what I mean. Like when you put it to the floor and hold it, see how it held it for me? That's why I delayed it so y'all can see that it actually held the car for like a second or two. Then go. I don't know how long it hold it. I was gonna test that out too, but I think it holds it like for at least like 3-4 seconds. Something like that. Oh, it hold it for like 3 or 4 seconds. What is that noise? Did y'all hear that? It's on that song when I turn to the right. Let me see, I don't like that. Where that car went? Oh, that was that truck right there. But yeah, car crew, my fault. But yeah, man, that's how you launch it. It holds it. I'm gonna see how long it'll hold it. I'm gonna try to get a little further down the road, at least right by the hill or the top of the hill, so I can see behind me. But yeah, man, get a little sound for y'all right quick. But that was a good little pull though. Now y'all can't even flit now. That was a good little pull I did right there, man. That was a good little pull. No cap. We're right here at the top of the hill with it. There's a car right there. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. They don't know what we got going. They don't know what we got going. I'm just turning I ain't gonna even turn my hazards on. And then they might stop. And they're gonna ask me for help. And I'm not. Let's raise the bar, man. How you cancel? Oh. Let's raise the RPM, man. Cancel. Why won't it cancel? Hold on, man. Oh, you can just turn it off. I be forgetting the button right here. That's crazy. Let's try 20. Let's try 2,500. All right, we're gonna do 2,500, car crew. They're gonna be the last little one. This time I'm gonna do it with the paddle shift. I'm gonna shift it myself. Let's see how I do, man. I'm gonna try to keep it from redlining. All right, so apply full throttle like all the way to the ground, bro, like this. Bro, that junk did it. Oh, I think I took too long. Yeah, I think I took too long. I don't know why I do that, bro. Oh, you gotta be ready when they do that, because sometimes it's gonna cancel as soon as you do it. Why is it doing that? They be really trying to do a burnout. Activate. Apply to line. I shifted too early on the other one. I thought it was gonna. Bro, that time, when I did it, it still like it was like the car was tugging, bro. I don't like that. I was pressing to break it down, bro. I put them to the floor, like not damn near, but close enough to where the car, like, if I launch it, it's gonna hold it. It held it last time. I guess you really gotta do like the movie, bro. In the video game, they be stomping the brake pedal to the floor and launching it at the same time. When they be using the little tram brake or whatever. That's junk crazy. I literally like, bro, like I held in the mode, y'all couldn't tell, but it was pulling like this. And I just let out the brakes, they were already trying to, you know what I'm saying? Roll it like how somebody do when they trying to do a burnout and then holding the brakes on tight enough and the car like start pushing forward. while I was trying to do a burnout. Like, that basically what that mother did. That's not crazy. That was 2,500. I get 2,500 a little too much. It let you go all the way to 3,300. So I don't know why I'm doing it. Let me try 2,200. Oh, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna do it right here, buddy, y'all. Let me go down a little bit. Let me go down a little bit, car. Okay, this is the last one for real, man. We in trap mode too, by the way. Damn. All right. This time put the pedal. Okay, the pedal all the way down to the floor. All right. So I put the pedal down to the floor that time. The brake pedal down to the floor. Like when you feel it push in all the way to where like you can't push it no more. That's about the best way to do it. When you ain't gotta worry about the car doing nothing. Especially if your brake pedal like kind of soft. You know what I'm saying? If you got over the time. But for some reason I feel I just didn't do that like this video whatever, bro. Cause I messed up. I did not try to do that. I messed up. But that's just a gist of it, man. I'll give y'all another one. I done did this before. Bro, that's crazy. Oh my, y'all hear that? Bro, that is insane, bro. Oh my god. Bro, track is crazy, cuz. But you gotta be dogging it though. Like track, that what track mode made for. That a lot of y'all don't know, bro. That why y'all drive shafts and transmissions and all to be going out so fast, bro. Rear ends be going out so fast, bro. Cause y'all be in track mode all the time cruising. Or like saying like, oh, I'm ready at any time. Like, no, bro, just put it in track when it's that time, bro. There's nothing wrong with riding around in eco, bro. People be like acting weird for riding in eco, bro. There's nothing wrong with eco mode, bro. It's there for a reason. It's saving your transmission. Now custom is, now sport, straight. You can cruise around in sport, because sport is not like track, it's not that aggressive to its full peak, you know what I'm saying? Like track, like you can tell, like driving track and just cruising traffic, like just slowly hit the gas from stoplight to stoplight in regular traffic, bro. Your transmission, like you can feel it, it be jerking, because it's trying to like, you know what I'm saying, go fast, but you not going fast. It's not made for cruising. They tell you that dealership if you ask. I heard about it. They were like, you can really avoid your warranty doing that if they can tell that you've been in track mode like all day, every day. Like every day you drive the car, you in track mode every day. I didn't know that. I was like, dang, boy, they be snitching there. I don't even know what way I came from. Car crew, I ain't gonna even cap. But it right here feel like a damn game. These niggas out this bitch going crazy. But I see police lights down. I'm finna turn around. I ain't gonna even lie. It look like. I don't even know if I came from right. Yes, I did come from right. But, yeah, man. I couldn't really show y'all too much, man. Y'all saw we had a little traffic in Mexico, man. A few people was getting by, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get by, get across, I guess. But, yeah, man. That's gonna be a wrap for this video on how to use launch control, man, the Scatpack / Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? They both got the same setup, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much the same mechanics. Same thing, just a different car. But for your Hellcats and your Scatpack boys, you know what I'm saying? Y'all fast RT boys, they got them. Oh my goodness, Siri. But for all y'all fast RT boys, you know what I'm saying? They got these little gizmos right here, you know what I'm saying? But I should have turned right there. But yeah, man. But anyway, that'll be a wrap. Like I said for this video, man, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Oh, let me get y'all the pool right quick right here by these trees. I had to hear it, bro. The tree, I just love the trees, bro. I gotta go to the city and see if I love the city noise better. With Olivia, y'all comment down below, man. Y'all want me to go to the city and cut up, man. Go to the city, man, and really make the echoes off the wall, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, why you gotta completely stop, bro? I hate when folks do that. Dang. But yeah, man, I'm just getting thrown off. I'm sorry, this video, they just throwing me off. This Vlogmas #1. by the way, this Vlogmas, man, is the start of Vlogmas right here, man. December 1st, man. I'm gonna try to drop a video tomorrow. I'm doing this video right now. I'm gonna drop the video today, obviously. And tomorrow, man, we getting straight into it. Some of them, most of them gonna be raw and uncut, depending on what kind of video it is. They'll be edited, you know what I'm saying, if I have to, for certain reasons. But I'm just pushing this content out, Cari crew, and all my new supporters. I appreciate all of y'all, man. We on the road to 10K, man. We almost at 8K. Y'all get us there, bro. We less than 50 people away from 8K. So y'all 50 people that watch the video and not subscribe, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Do that for me, man. We on the goal. We on the mission. Hit 10K before the end of the year. Giveaways, all kind of stuff can be going crazy, man. Hellcat be coming soon, Cari crew. I'm telling y'all, the more we grow, man, the more stuff I can do. I promise y'all that, bro. Just please take heed on that, bro. The more we grow, the more I can do. New whips, new mods, all that. I'm telling you. Just watch the video and like them, bro. Like all the videos, bro. Get them to 100 likes at least. Get me in that algorithm, man. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I really do. I appreciate it. But anyway, man, that'll be a wrap for today's video. Like I said, man, make sure y'all stay safe in these streets, man. Stay blessed. You know what I'm saying? Stay healthy. And your boy Cari Beats is out. Peace.